ladies, you get to smoke and take home. Who's excited about that? Yes, I love to see that. Very strange. Like little squirt bugs and beetles. Pass it to me. Yeah, very good.
So today we are here representing Ohio Tech Day at the Douglas MacArthur Leadership Academy for Girls in the city of Cleveland, Ohio. We are running 3 simultaneous programs to inspire young girls to continue to seek and pursue careers in STEM. Those programs include Parallax's Girls of Tomorrow curriculum and programming, caters to kindergarten, 1st, 2nd, and 3rd graders. We are partnering with Lorain Community College in implementing chip kits and doing interactive STEM around microelectronics and microchips. And then we also have our 6th through 8th grade girls are over at Ohio Aerospace Institute and NASA Glenn Research Center doing interactive programming with different corporations that focus on STEM and technology, as well as receiving mentoring and support from female researchers and scientists in STEM.